Let's go to install HubMocap version 2. So you have to go to my GitHub, go to the releases, and you can check this 0.02 and download it pressing here. Then you can install it in Blender. You just need to drag. So open the panel, you see a SEB. You can go to the GVHMR and choose a place that you want to install it. Accept, go inside the folder and accept it. So this is the place that it's going to install. Press install options and you have to get the module to work. It's here. So I'm gonna point to the file that I downloaded. This one with almost 3 gigabytes. Accept and press start unzipping. It's gonna do the process and you can see what's happening. Next, you can press download GitHub code. It's gonna download the file, unzip it, and do the installation. It's gonna pop this black window, you just have to wait. And when it get this blinking cursor, you can close the window. Next, you have to download the checkpoints. You have to press one button at a time and wait for the status to finish. You see the preview, it's okay. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. I got a problem with the HMR2. So if you had problems downloading some of the checkpoints, you can go to the GitHub page of GVHMR and you go to the installation link, and in the input outputs you will find here the link for the Google Drive. You open it and download it from another machine. Get those files back to the machine you want to install. You will go to the folder that you selected to place the module. Then you go to the main, input, checkpoints, and here you have the place to put the file, and you can put it here. And the other one that I had problems was V0.02. Here I have it. Okay. Now back to the add-on. You see that it checks that the checkpoints are all in place. And now you can go to the SNPL download part. If you don't have a registration, you can use these links to register for both. And you can go to the download part to get the files. You have to enter your email and password. It's not saved, it's just used to download the files at the SNPL site. And press the download button. You can follow the process here. Then you press the setup button and it's going to place the files at the proper place. Then you go to the other one, and I suggest you to use the same password to register for both, so you don't have to change here. And press download. And press the setup button. In theory, everything is done. Now let's go to try. You will have to select the video and press run. You can check the process in here. So it was too quickly, it said it was done, so there was a problem. Let's see what it was. Okay, the problem was that we have to install the C++. In case you don't have it, it's also bundled with the pack, the module. You can go to the place that you place the module and you have this executable. Just install it. And now let's try again. Run. And follow the process here. It takes a while on the first time, so be patient. Here on the panel you can see what's happening. As soon as it starts executing, it's basically the information that shows on the console. You can see that after the initial process, it shows the amount of characters that you have on the video that you used. And knowing this information, you can set the character number, so you can select which one you want to bring the animation from. And now that it's done, you can import the data. Let me remove this cube. Import. And we can see the animation. And if you notice that the animation is slow, you can process in a higher FPS. If your video that you're using is recorded at 60 FPS, you change here to 60. Okay, so we got the first character. Now we can change to character 2 and run it again to get the animation for the second character. Okay, now let's import it. And there you have it. Both animations, but you see that they are not placed in a way that makes sense between each other. You have to adjust it manually. And another important information is that this process was made in a way that you can get many animations from the same video. If you change the reference video, all the animation that you've done is going to be deleted. So grab your characters, import the animation in a Blender and save it before you start processing another video. And that's it. Have fun.